The following is a blizzard warning from the National Weather Service. For the following county, DeKalb, Illinois. What blizzard conditions expected? Total snow accumulations between 3 and 5 inches and ice accumulations around a light glaze. Winds gusting as high as 45 miles per hour. Where? DeKalb and McHenry counties. When? From 10 p.m. this evening to 1 p.m. Monday. Impacts. Whiteout conditions are expected and will make travel treacherous and potentially life-threatening. Plan on slippery road conditions. The hazardous conditions will impact the Monday morning commute. Gusty winds could bring down tree branches. Travel should be restricted to emergencies only. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle. The latest road conditions for Illinois can be obtained at www.gettingaroundillinois.com. A blizzard warning means severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. Falling and blowing snow with strong winds are likely. This will lead to whiteout conditions, making travel extremely dangerous. Do not travel. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay in your vehicle. The following is a flood advisory from the